How did Roman inverted arches make foundations stronger? Imagine building a bridge or a wall on shaky ground. It might seem impossible, but the Romans had a clever way to make foundations much more stable. They used something called inverted arches. Instead of curving upward like a normal arch, these arches curve downward beneath the structure. This shape helps spread out the weight and pressure more evenly across the ground. When heavy loads sit on top, the downward curve acts like a tension ring, pushing forces inward and downward instead of outward. This means the foundation is less likely to crack or sink over time. Romans often placed inverted arches under walls, bridges, and aqueducts, especially when the ground was uneven or weak. By doing this, they created a sturdy base that could handle the weight of large structures without shifting or collapsing. For example, when building aqueducts that crossed valleys or unstable land, inverted arches supported the heavy stone pipes and masonry above. They didn't need to use massive piers or thick walls, which saved on materials and time. The materials used by the Romans also played a big part. They mixed Roman concrete, called opus cementitium, with volcanic ash. This special concrete was very strong under compression, which is perfect for arches. Since arches mainly work by compressing, the shape of the inverted arch kept these forces inside, preventing cracks from tension. This made the entire structure more durable and long-lasting. Using inverted arches meant Roman builders could make larger and more stable foundations with less material. This innovation helped them build some of the most impressive structures that still stand today. Their mastery of arches and engineering allowed them to create bridges, aqueducts, and public buildings that have lasted thousands of years. In simple terms, inverted arches made foundations stronger by spreading out the weight, resisting forces that push outward, and stabilizing structures on tricky ground. They used the shape and materials to maximize strength and durability. This clever technique is part of the Roman legacy that shows how they combined smart design with engineering skill to build structures that stand the test of time.